Hi, I'm going to spend a few minutes to take you through the Essential Viewer part of the Essential project. This is the open source software I'm using to collect a repository of enterprise information. And I just wanted to go through some of the output screens to give an idea of the sort of information it's storing. This is the home page for Essential Viewer, and it's divided into a few sections. There's the enterprise views, which has sort of high-level program and principle summary. There's a set of business views as we scroll down. Further on down, there's information and data views, which is where your sort of information governance and your data-driven architecture would be. Further down, there's application views, which I'll come back to. And finally, we've got a technology layer. If I go back to the top briefly, under EA principles is where I've currently put what sort of potential principles that we may use to judge applications and architecture against. Nothing in there for business principles, but I've put NHS general information principles, application principles, and technology principles further on down. Okay, so if we go back to the main screen and scroll down to the application views, I'm going to start with application reference model. What I've done here is divided the organization up into the original sort of sections as part of the new organizational design. This may need revision, but I've done it as a starting point. So what you'll see for each element of the organization is the sort of application set that we would need to perform those business functions. So if I go in and start to drill down, under operations management, I've got managed service delivery. If I click on that and go to application capability summary, this gives the sort of range of applications that would need to support service delivery and the areas where you would need applications. So as an example, if I go into manage shifts as an application service and go to application service summary, and I scroll down, this shows us the applications we're actually using in that workspace. So I'm going to focus on Contact Center Coach, which is the one I've been concentrating on. So Contact Center Coach. And I go to Application Provider Summary View. And this gives the high-level metadata for the application, what its purpose is, who the supplier is, how it's coded, the service it's supplying, how it's hosted. There's dependencies you can store, so I've got Jill Kemp as the business owner. You can hold strategic plans against an application. So what I've done here is I've put in the extended support, which has got the dates for when that would finish, and so on. If I go back a level, choose Contact Center Coach again, and go to Information Data Summary, then what I wanted to show you here is you can put a bit of a graphical description on the dependencies between applications. So on the application dependency model for CCC, we've got Cisco telephony, lexicon, and shift swap providing information into Contact Center Coach, and then outbound timesheets going to ESR for payroll capabilities. So that can give you a sort of graphical view on how the applications are linked. So what I wanted to just show finally from the home page is all the applications we've currently got represented within the viewer or within the model, and I've recorded the sort of basic metadata for all these. So that's our range of applications, if you like, that we've currently got now, and that's the end of this demonstration.